make a really big letter U. At this end, you're going to just curve around here and stop. Do the same thing on the other end. Then we're going to connect those two in between. You're going to put a small circle on this side and then another small circle on that side. Another circle that's a little bit smaller, and here another one that's a little bit smaller. Now the circle's even bigger. An upside down U. And you're going to do sort of a W. 3 little lines go on the top, right in the center. 3 little whiskers on each side. And I'm going to make the pizza. So you're going to do this little, looks like a letter C on top of those little circles, and then continue this wide V shape. That's our slice of pizza. So now we make the crust. Add a little pepperoni. And then don't forget the little tail. Last thing you need to do is just color in that open eye.